In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva on ChatGPT. To get started, open ChatGPT in your browser and make sure you're on the home page. This is the main screen where you can access your chats, tools, and connected services. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account first so everything is available. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This sidebar is where ChatGPT keeps important navigation options. So if you ever need to find tools or integrations, this is usually the first place to look. Depending on your screen size, the sidebar may already be expanded, or you may need to open it first. From there, click on Apps. This section is where you can browse and manage the different app connections available inside ChatGPT. It's essentially the place where you connect outside services so they can work alongside your ChatGPT experience. Next, look for Canva in the Apps directory and click on it. If you have a lot of apps visible, take a moment to scan the list carefully until you find the Canva option. Opening it will take you to the app's connection page where you can start linking your account. Now click on Connect. This tells ChatGPT that you want to set up the Canva integration. After selecting it, you'll be prompted to continue the connection process through Canva's Sign In and Permissions screen. At this point, click on Sign In with Canva. This will redirect you to Canva so you can securely authorize the connection. If you're already logged into Canva in your browser, this step may move a little faster. If not, simply sign in to your Canva account when prompted. Once the Canva authorization page appears, you'll see a message explaining that the Canva AI connector would like access to your Canva account. This is the standard permission screen, and it allows ChatGPT and Canva to work together properly. It's a good habit to quickly review what access is being requested so you understand what the connection will be able to do. When you're ready, click Allow. This approves the connection and completes the setup process. After that, Canva should be connected to ChatGPT, and you'll be able to use the integration as intended. And that's it. The process is very straightforward once you know where to click. If the connection doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page or returning to the Apps section to confirm that Canva is now linked.